Hey folks, it's Dan here with Herbert T Outdoors. I've been out doing a little camping. Decided to do something that was inspired by Darkwood Bushcraft. He did a tri-stick, so I decided I would try a stick. Now, I believe he did 7 notches on his, 7 carvings. I have actually 10 on mine. I didn't have willow wood like he did, which would have made it really nice to get sharper, cleaner edges, but I did this with my trusty Morakniv. Let's see if I got it here. Yeah, just a simple knife that anybody can do themselves. I got probably, roughly about a 2-foot section of pine to do this with. A little bit bigger than my thumb on one end and about as big as my thumb on the other end. So I'm going to show it to you. What I want you to do is comment below what each of the 10 notches or carvings are used for. Some of them I'm not absolutely sure on. I know some of them are used for like the log cabin style, laying the logs in. And then I've got the 7-notch for traps. I got the dovetail one. Got some more in here. V-notch, a pot hanger, and the one on the end, which is the stripper for making your own cordage. If anybody can direct me to a video that works or that will show me how to use that stripper for cordage, I would dearly appreciate it. Here we go. I'm going to show it to you. All right. Let's see if I can get that to focus. There we go. So starting at the end, I didn't do so well. It is pine. It's kind of hard to get it to conform like you want to, but the first carving is the rounded edge so that when you're pounding it in as a steak, it doesn't split out. Notch number 2, used in log cabin builds, laying logs together. Number 3 is my 7-notch. There we go. Number 4 is my dovetail. And I need to work on that a little bit. And this one was the rounded notch. And then we have the actual hole through it. It's rectangular. Again, with the pine, it was difficult to get like in here, get that edge right there straight up and down. Come on, focus on me. There we go. And then the next one was getting a squared notch. If you can tell me what that one's used for. And this one back here, some good uses for it. I'd appreciate that. And there's my V-notch. That's for, when you've got your downward pressure that's here. And then if you cut your other piece in the same V shape, it'll fit down in there good and snug and tight, and the weight, you won't have any slipping in and out of the crack. Get that to focus. There you go. And then the next one, of course, is your pot hanger. Guess I could go a little bit sharper angle up here. Get that. And then last but not least is the stripper for stripping your cordage down. And like I said, if you guys know of a good video on cordage, the type of things that you would strip down with that, so I could see how it's actually done, let me know in the comments below. It would be greatly appreciated. All right, there you have it, folks. That's my tri-stick. I tried it. I think I did all right. It was a little time consuming on some of the notches, especially that one. But yeah, overall, it was a fun little journey. Definitely learned some areas I got to get practice up in. I'll be trying it with some of my other knives in the future here to see how that goes. But we'll get her done. All right, folks. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next one. And remember, be kind to one another.